Folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. I've been with Guaranty since 1998. Great company, 50 years in business, a family-owned business, actually 50 plus years. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2018 Heartland. It is the big country and the model number is a 3965 DSS. We're going to go inside and take a look at some of the features and then we'll come back to the exterior. This vehicle is just a great floor plan, has a lot of living space. Notice the coffered ceiling. You've got a rear living with theater seating, sofa in the back, TV, huge fireplace. And the TV, I think that's bigger than the one in my house. It looks like at least a 55, maybe a 60-inch TV. MCD blinds, the roller shades, which are real nice. People really like those these days. It's got tons of storage behind the sofa, above the TV, and over above the theater seating. In your galley, this has got the new Furrion stove and oven. A little larger oven than you usually see in an RV. The nice 3-burner grill top. Also a microwave convection oven. 18 cubic foot electric gas refrigerator. Built by Norcold. In your sink, you've got the kind of residential gauge stainless steel double split sink, solid counter surfaces. You've got a dining table across from the galley. It comes with 2 regular chairs and 2 fold-up chairs so that you can seat 4 people. You've got great storage in your kitchen. You've got a bank of drawers here next to the oven, a silverware drawer actually. Another bank of drawers over here on this side, drawer that's big enough for pots and pans. More storage underneath the sink. And actually a place for a waste paper basket. Very nice to have in a RV. You've got more pantry space here. And then over on this side, you've got your Heartland control panel and a nice coat closet. And another shelf there. The steps are on the left-hand side of the coach, which is kind of unique. Most of them are on the right-hand side. What this allows you to have is a place for your washer and dryer in the hall. It's not actually in the bedroom. It's out in the main body of the coach. Your bathroom, I'm going to go around the other side. You can enter from either side. It's got the nice big walk-in shower, once again solid counter surfaces, porcelain toilet, and plenty of linen and storage in the bathroom, which on so many RVs that's not real common to have. Lighted vanity, glass shower door, skylight above the shower, fantastic fan in the bathroom. Now in your bedroom suite, this is called a double slide. And it allows you to have so much more space in your bedroom area. It's got another TV, another fireplace, set of drawers here, some more storage over on this side, with some even deeper drawers here, and then of course your wardrobe, which is all wardrobe because remember your washer and dryer is out in the main body of the coach. So you've got plenty of closet wardrobe space. Comes equipped with a Dyson vacuum cleaner. This has got dual airs on it, and it also has the whisper quiet air. Really nice. You don't have to yell when you're watching TV, or you can hear TV really easily with the air conditioning running. Let's go to the exterior of the coach and take a look outside. It's got the nice 4-step aluminum steps. 3-year structure warranty. It's got the 6-point level up system, alloy wheels, frameless windows, nice electric awning. This particular coach has the 12-gallon hot water heater, so you don't run out of hot water. It's got exterior speakers, huge amount of storage, and it's wired to have a TV installed to the exterior of the coach if that's what you decide to do. All hydraulic on your slides, landing gear, and they function very quickly, very nice to operate. One propane cylinder on the door side. Your second one's on the passenger or on the driver's side. Place to have a generator installed in the front or additional storage. This is what I was saying, your slide and a slide, the dual slide. Your second propane cylinder. Your docking station, water filtration, all your plugs for your cable, your gray, your black tank, dump valves are inside, winter bypass, black water flush, of course. So notice this has got 3 slides on this side with the double slide, and then your other slide on the other side, so you got a total of 4 slides. This is something that you'll really appreciate. It's a power cord reel, so you're not fighting that 50 amp service. It's got the ladder to access the roof, LED exterior lights, folks. This is a phenomenal coach if you're going to be spending the winters down south. You've got plenty of room. It's like a second home. Please give me a call. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me at 541-521-8914, and we've got great inventory, lots for you to choose from. Thank you.